What's good, YouTube? I'm Black, and today I'll be showing you guys my first shoes that I designed by my own self, but it's not right, it's outside. Just you guys focus and just look what's gonna happen. I'm so excited, like to open my first shoes, and alright, then go sweet. Okay, then I can't wait, like to see my own shoes, like yeah, bro, I can't wait. I did. Hey, woo. This is it, guys. And Dove DF shoes. Dove DF drip on feet. Oh, this is basketball shoes, right? You can also just use this or wear this just outfit or fashion, but it's just based on basketball or sports stuff. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna be showing y'all, but I don't care. But you can wear these shoes just for basketball because just for sports, but also for fashion actually. But this is shoes like my first time. Hey, that's crazy. Look. Oh, these my shoes. Can I even say this? This is another one wearing. Okay. Huh? Uh, this looks awesome. I didn't expect these shoes to be like this actually, yeah, because it's very big. But so these are for the got long foot or big foot, so this can fit your foot or your feet very well. But for those who got small foot or feet, just like girls, not that much, just like girls, this is not for us actually. Or it's cold outside. It's because I'm black, I cannot die. But it's getting hot a little bit because I got blind.